Explain artificial intelligence in 50 words. And we can get it to regenerate a unique response. Now let's see if ChatGPT can make the same thing so that a 5-year-old can understand. And what about a PhD student? Okay, so it's adapted its response. And now let's see if it can repeat this entire thing without using specific words. So it basically said the exact same thing without using the words that we didn't want it to say. And now lastly, let's see if ChatGPT can make this rhyme. So it basically made the content into a poem, and then if we want to regenerate, it makes it into a different poem. Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, the latest and greatest technological advancement of our society. As you see, ChatGPT is no ordinary chatbot. Did you notice how the bot was able to cater its response to different age groups and remember and understand context from the previous statement I typed in, where I could use vague words such as make it or re-explain this? Its capabilities are tremendously far-reaching, coupling the creativity and the contextual understanding of humans with the computational power and speed of machines to revolutionize the way we communicate and interact with computers. Now, you might be wondering what exactly ChatGPT is. At a high level, ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of natural language processing model that uses machine learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to a given input. As we've discussed in previous videos, machine learning models are built off of a plethora of training data pulled from the big data available in society. Since ChatGPT uses advanced machine learning algorithms, it's no surprise that it harnesses the power of data to perform tasks. ChatGPT is trained on a massive dataset of human conversations and can generate responses that are coherent, contextually relevant, and often indistinguishable from those of a human. In this video, we'll be exploring the basics of ChatGPT, including how it works and some of the ways that it's being used today. We'll also look at some of the potential benefits and drawbacks of using ChatGPT, and discuss some of the ethical considerations that surround this technology. So let's get started. First, let's take a closer look at how ChatGPT works. At its core, ChatGPT is a type of transformer model, a type of neural network that has achieved state-of-the-art performance in a variety of NLP tasks. It is pre-trained on a massive dataset of human conversations and then fine-tuned on a specific task, such as responding to customer inquiries or generating personalized recommendations. The way ChatGPT works is by taking in a piece of text, such as a question or a statement, and then generating a response based on that input. To do this, the model uses a process called prediction, which involves analyzing the input and using it to make a prediction about what the appropriate response should be. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to learn from the data it's trained on. This means that the more data the model is exposed to, the better it becomes at generating responses that are accurate and human-like. This is achieved through a process called training, which involves feeding the model large amounts of data and adjusting its parameters to optimize its performance. Sound familiar? This is very similar to the pipeline we discussed in the video about machine learning models. ChatGPT is powerful given its ability to generate responses that are personalized and tailored to the individual user. It can take into account the user's preferences, history, and context to generate responses that are relevant and engaging. This makes it a powerful tool for businesses looking to provide personalized customer service, and for individuals looking to have more natural and engaging conversations with AI. One of the key challenges in training a ChatGPT model is ensuring that it's able to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. To achieve this, the model is trained on a dataset of human conversations that includes a wide variety of topics and contexts. This allows the model to learn the patterns and structures of human language and to generate responses that are natural and fluid. In addition to its pre-training and fine-tuning, ChatGPT also uses a variety of techniques to ensure that it generates high-quality responses. These techniques include incorporating knowledge from external sources, such as Wikipedia, and using reinforcement learning to optimize the model's responses based on feedback from users. So, how exactly can ChatGPT be used? Well, we saw in the beginning of the video how this technology can teach us concepts, pulling from various internet sources. And we also saw that it can write poetry. Now let's take a look at some other really cool use cases. Now let's see if ChatGPT can create a persuasive essay on why bananas are better than oranges. So we see that it's creating a comprehensive list of all the ways that bananas are better than oranges in just a few seconds. If you're a student, this could really come of help. Or if you're working in a company, a template like this can inspire the next email to your boss. We can also have ChatGPT act as a Linux terminal. This is a command paragraph provided by an internet user that basically sets up GPT to answer prompts as if it were a terminal. Pretty cool, huh? We can also have ChatGPT explain concepts in a particular style. For example, we could have it explain artificial intelligence like a 90s diva. Or it could try it with a cowboy slant. And if you're interested in the arts, ChatGPT can give some pretty creative ideas for projects and design. Or if you're musical, ChatGPT can help you write your next original song. Additionally, one of the most common applications of ChatGPT is in chatbots, which are designed to communicate with humans in a conversational manner. Chatbots are used in a variety of settings, including customer service, e-commerce, and social media. For example, by using ChatGPT, businesses can provide personalized and efficient customer service, while also reducing the workload on the human customer service representatives. ChatGPT can handle a wide variety of customer inquiries, including frequently asked questions, product recommendations, and troubleshooting issues. Not only can ChatGPT enhance chatbots to increase workforce efficiency, but can enhance chatbots that serve as the entire business model for some companies. Take Replica, a mental health startup that uses complex language models like GPT-3 to build AI-powered chatbots that can carry out realistic conversations with users. Replica's chatbot service provides companions and therapists to real-world users, and by using advanced technology like ChatGPT, they can truly revolutionize the personalization of the chatbots. In addition to customer service, ChatGPT can be used to generate personalized recommendations, such as movie or music recommendations, or to provide information and assistance in a variety of contexts. GPT can also be used for language translation, essentially translating text from one language to another, allowing people to communicate with each other across language barriers. It can summarize, essentially summarizing long texts into shorter versions, making it easier for people to quickly understand the main points of a document. it can be used to answer questions asked by users, making it a useful tool for tasks like customer service and knowledge management. And it can be used for text classification. Essentially, GPT can classify text into different categories, such as spam, news, or sentiment analysis. And this can be a useful tool for tasks such as filtering emails or analyzing customer feedback. Companies like Hugging Face and Copysmith are currently using models like GPT-3 to enhance their products. Hugging Face offers a variety of pre-trained models and tools for fine-tuning, and Copysmith uses GPT to generate Google and Facebook ads, product descriptions, and taglines. And ChatGPT can truly revolutionize their work as well. While ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate and interact with computers, it's important to note that it's not without limitations. One of the primary challenges in developing ChatGPT is ensuring that it's able to generate responses that are appropriate and respectful, particularly in situations where it is interacting with sensitive or personal information. ChatGPT models are also often trained on large datasets and pull from many different internet sources, but as we know, ultimately only show the users one output, which makes it difficult to understand how exactly the technology arrived at that particular output. And this lack of transparency can make it difficult to hold the model accountable for its decisions, which is a problem in cases where the model is being used to make important decisions. Moreover, as all technology is, ChatGPT isn't perfect. One of ChatGPT's capabilities is to debug code, but as we can see in this example, it doesn't catch the bug. This program indeed enters an infinite loop, as the variable is never updated, as we can see in the IntelliJ version of this program. Moreover, ChatGPT still has room to improve in its logic. If we consider this scenario, taken from an internet source, it ideally should have been able to have enough information to answer these basic questions. And its math skills have room for improvement as well, given that it wasn't able to solve the simple math problem regarding coordinate systems. Though it produced an answer, this answer is actually incorrect if you look more closely. And this is one of the big problems with ChatGPT, is that it answers questions with such confidence that often, if people don't look close enough, they might just believe false information. Additionally, ChatGPT is only as good as the data that it's trained on. If the training data is biased, the model will also be biased. This can lead to biased or discriminatory output, which can have serious consequences, especially if the model is used in sensitive areas such as hiring. ChatGPT can also be used to generate content that is designed to spread misinformation or manipulate public opinion. And this can have serious implications for the democracy and the public discourse, and is a major concern for policymakers and ethical AI advocates. However, it's also important to note that these problems are being constantly discussed, and ChatGPT is trying to become more ethical. Let's take this command for example. Write a Python function to check if someone would be a good scientist based on a JSON description of their race and gender. And so in this case, it's saying that it's not appropriate to use someone's race or gender as a measure of their scientific ability. But it's still giving some output, and that's basically where it's taking a JSON description of a person that's not really related to their race or gender, but other characteristics of a person, and is writing a Python function to do what we asked. So, as we can see here, this technology did not blindly perform the task at hand, but rather took a more ethical approach when answering. If humans keep these ethical considerations in mind when deploying more advanced technology, our society will truly stand to benefit and reap the positives of such a powerful technology. ChatGPT is an exciting and rapidly evolving technology that's already having a significant impact on a wide range of industries. And as it continues to advance, it has the potential to transform the way we communicate and interact with computers in a variety of contexts. And now for the burning question. How exactly can someone get access to ChatGPT? Well, as you can see through this demonstration, it's pretty simple. If you just search up ChatGPT and sign up, it's free and you can use this technology. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about this fascinating technology, and if so, please give it a like and comment down below other cool use cases of ChatGPT that you can either think of or have already tried out. And if you're new here, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that'll help you on your journey towards mastering artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.